Hello guys, this is the fourth episode of 2016 analysis. So 30 MCQs done before this has to be seen, and also if you are watching this channel for the first time, you should see 2019, 18, 17 in reverse order and then only reach here, okay? Because that is the way you will understand how the difficulty level has been changing. Because 2016, 15 and all the question paper were very easy, but in 2018, 19 the questions have been same format, but the options were difficult. So I'll show you examples in this today's episode. Also I'll show you examples. New subscribers, if you have not hit the subscribe button, okay, and you're simply watching videos for free, some of the lectures will stop in middle and some link will stop working, okay? So we have set it in such a way that only the subscribers can see this video and there is no payment for that. It's totally free. So please see to it that the subscribers can enjoy all the lectures which is coming in future, and WhatsApp me, because whoever is there in my WhatsApp will be the first one to know any update which happens on this channel and also on the UPSC website, okay? And the test series, I think you're already late if you have not joined the batches, because we have launched one batch in June, then in August, and now in October. So in October it's already started. If you join now, you will be given all the test which is completed, and then as per schedule, weekly you will get the subject wise test. And this much big test series nobody is giving right now in this country, okay? Almost every needed textbook, almost everything which is needed for UPSC is covered in this, and at the end of the exam 100 plus marks will come from this test series. That is the guarantee which we are giving, okay? Today's questions. This first question is a little bit difficult, science question, because usually when science question comes, we ask you to take a guess like 1, 2, 3 and all kind of thing, okay, D, all the above. But here when it comes an ABCD question, if you don't know, a smart student should ideally skip this question, okay? You should not simply try to overthink and all these things. You have never heard bioinformatics or transcriptome, you should not do this. You should skip this because you don't need this question. There is another 99 questions out there from which you can get your cutoff, okay? So here the answer will be the full range of mRNA molecules expressed by an organism. So details more here, whatever I can get from the internet, the basic statements I put it. In case it repeats, this is the maximum they will ask also. Don't do any over research on this. Don't study anything for science from any textbook, okay? Because every year it is very easy to solve. This kind of question has to be skipped. Mission Indradhanush. As I told, 20 to 23 questions came from only schemes and missions. This is one such question, which was a very easy, direct question. Okay, it's like if you see what is Mission Indradhanush, there are two things in India. One is related to healthcare and one is related to banking. Okay, both are called Indradhanush only. So here, immunization of children and pregnant women. Okay, 7 diseases were there in starting. That is why it was called Indradhanush. And later it was expanded. Now it has more than 7. Okay, so don't think like only 7 diseases will be covered in this. It was launched in 2014 by this government, and it's like immunization coverage of India. Now even the second part of that is there, enhanced one. Go and find out the details of the new mission Indradhanush. Now Green India mission. This again, if you see, options were only one I think was fitting to it. If you see, incorporating environmental benefit and cost into union and state budget through implementing the green accounting. There is nothing like this as such in this kind of mission. This is wrong. Launching the second green revolution. Okay, there is a second green revolution, there is a rainbow revolution, there is many things like that, but this scheme, Green India mission, is not related to that. Okay, so directly you got the answer as 3. Restoring and enhancing forest cover and responding to climate change by a combination of adaptation and mitigation measures. So answer will be 3 only. So if you Google it, you will get the same details. You know, there is something called National Action Plan on Climate Change, NAPCC. Okay. In NAPCC, there are 8 missions, 8 major missions, and under that one scheme is this. And you should know all the other 7 also, which we have taught in multiple places, in full test, environment test, everywhere. You should know them. So here, the same statement which you saw there, that is here. Okay. Now, with reference to pre-packaged items in India, it is mandatory for the manufacturer to put which of the following information on the main label. Okay, so FSSAI is an important body. Every alternate year, that word will be mentioned in your question paper. Those are 2011 rules. Now maybe 2018, 19, I think new rules have come. So that also you should study. But they just asked you what is there on the packet. Okay, so when you buy a thing from the supermarket, you will obviously see what all things are there. So this list of ingredients will be there. Nutrition information is there. Vegetarian or non-vegetarian is there, but this recommendation by a medical professional, this is not mandatory, okay, according to 2011 rules. Please go and check the latest rules also, because we don't know what came latest, okay. And one good thing is here options 1, 2, 3, 4 was not there. If there was an option called 1, 2, 3, 4, most of the students would have clicked that. So here you will get the answer as 1, 2, 4, okay, because 1, 2 and 4 you are sure, third one is doubtful, and options are set like that, so you can get the answer directly. Project Loon was a current affair that time. It was a Google project, and Google's parents company, you know, it is Alphabet. So it's for wireless communication. Okay, they had this balloon kind of thing. in stratosphere at an altitude of this thing. So these are technical details. Luckily, UPSC did not ask all these technical details. They just asked what is it related to. So it is wireless communication technology. This was covered in almost every test series, including my IAS. Net metering. This was a little tricky. People were confused between whether it is solar energy or whether it is water meter. Okay, because net metering, it depends on how you understand it. But it was in news that time. So you should know that for solar and wind power unit, the consumer can connect their unit, the solar unit, to the distribution company's grid. Okay, and net metering will be there. So that will save a lot of energy, and also you can sell the extra things to the company. So there are many features like that. And solar thing, from 2015 onwards, solar is a very big important thing in our country. Okay, because whatever Congress government had put in their initial solar mission, I think Jawaharlal Nehru some mission was there, that was achieved within 1 year itself by this government, because they had targeted, I think, the UPA government, they had targeted something up till by 2022. Okay, but whatever that target was, that Modi government did it in 2015 itself within 1 year, and they expanded it to, I think, 100 gigawatts or something, which is 100 times more than what the initial this thing was there, and now that will be achieved by 2022. Okay, so solar is the next big thing, even including the Paris Summit, International Solar Alliance. All these things are adding up to it, and questions have come. At least 5 to 6 questions have come in the last 5 years. So this topic is important for you. Now, ease of doing business. This one is like World Bank. And you should know 2016, this is the question. In 2018, the same question was asked about the same ease of doing business, same World Bank thing. But that time they asked the indicators inside that, what all indicators is used. Now in 2021, they can go to one more step extra, telling like in which indicators India performed well and India performed bad, which will be even more difficult. That means you have to know the latest statistics of the latest report. So that is the level of difficulty which goes from year to year. Okay. So please understand when we tell this. Other institutes are going on teaching you the same thing. World Bank is of doing, World Bank is of doing. That is not enough now. You are not in 2016 level. You are competing with more smarter students who have access to more digital methods, who have more digital classrooms. Everything is there online. So you should have much more detailing into it. Okay. And that is what will be asked. So please don't blame that UPSC is asking difficult question. The situation demands difficult questions to be asked. These are the 10 indicators. Banjaras, a direct textbook question you will get in NCERT class 12th, you will get it in R.S. Sharma, you will get it in Satish Chandra, any textbook you will get this. Okay, and they are traders, and they were related to many kings like Alauddin Khilji was there, Jahangir. They all mentioned in their books and this thing references that they used these traders to transport grains, that too in huge quantities over huge distances. Okay, and they have a caravan which is called this one, and these are all textbook things. Okay, there is nothing rocket science here. So whoever watched till now and watch regularly, they'll get 3 free tests, 3 current affair tests free of cost. You just have to mail this code to vaishupsc@gmail.com, 3 free. Again, a direct class 12th, and I think in Spectrum, also not Spectrum, R.S. Sharma, this is mentioned. Okay, Ashoka's thing, which is in Brahmi script, most of them. James Prinsep, he was the one who deciphered it, decoded it. Similarly, if somebody asks like Harappan script, who decoded it? What is the answer? There is no one. Okay, Harappan script is not yet deciphered. You cannot read it. They have a lot of symbols like this, something they have. Nobody can read it. So James Prinsep, 1838, deciphered this Ashokan Brahmi script, and in that this Piyadasi is mentioned. This also was asked by UPSC in 2018, I think. So like that, one thing which is asked, the next detailing of that will be asked in the later 2 years. Now even more detailing will be there, like meaning, what is the meaning of this? And they'll give 4 random meanings like this. Okay, like a CSAT question. So expect such questions. Don't tell that UPSC will ask tough questions. Last question for today, Gram Nyayalaya Act. So this one, if you see, it's a mixture of your polity textbook, okay, and the current affair. And options are easy. Only civil case, eliminate. Because it's there for both civil and criminal, and then it allows local social activists and mediators. That is true. Answer is 2 only. Social workers. It's taken directly from the Gram Nyayalaya Act. If you Google, you will get it. And again, the first line is both civil and criminal. So this much easy it is. If you see the explanation time which I take, it's also fast. One thing is I'm reading very fast. Why? Because there is nothing much to explain here. It was either a direct news item or direct a textbook question. So there is nothing much to explain. Okay, whenever explanation is needed in large amount, I stop and tell you. And I will tell you the revolving thing. Like this year, what they asked? They asked about Nalsa. There are Gram Nyayalaya, they asked Nalsa. So like that, judiciary, there are certain like 50 to 75 topics from which they go round and round. Okay. That is what UPSC is doing. If that 75 topics, all in all, if you do, including the previous year paper, you can easily clear prelims. Prelims will be nothing for you. but please do that. To understand that 50 to 75, you have to watch lectures like this. Okay. So for test series, come and email or WhatsApp. Better you WhatsApp, because that process will be faster. Okay. Any doubt you have in anything, I'll give you the video link also, because I've explained in detail all these things. What test it is, when is the schedule, how it will be given to you, everything. Okay. So I'll come up with tomorrow's episode. Thank you and have a nice day.